My name is Patricia Bauer, and I will be helping facilitate the chemistry curriculum writing workshop this summer on July 18th and 19th. This workshop is very important for teachers to take because in the midst of a school year, it's very difficult to look ahead, modify, adjust while you're in the midst of things. It's, I think, an opportunity for someone to sit down, either your department or you as an individual teacher, and think through, what is my philosophy? How do I want to present my material? How do I want to engage students? How do I want to make it meaningful to them? Do I want to take an approach that is macro to micro? Do I want to start with the atom and move to macroscopic properties? Do I want to have a theme-based unit where I pick a pertinent occurrence from the current day news and try to attract students' attention and engage them by making it meaningful to them because this is something they've heard or seen most recently? Do I want to take a more historical approach? Do I want to embed things that aren't typically covered until the end of the year, like sometimes gas laws or acids and bases or redox? Do I want to embed that earlier and lay the groundwork for the upcoming unit? I think this is very difficult to do without having time to sit, to exchange ideas with other people, and to have an uninterrupted period where I can follow, or you can follow, your train of thought through essentially the entire year.